and thanks for clicking me. I welcome all of you with a big heart to online classes of English Language Standard 5th. So students, previously we have studied comparison of adjectives and now we are going to solve the next exercise. So what are we waiting for? Just move forward. We are going to do a very interesting exercise, that is question number D. Underline and name the degree of comparison. Now students, you have to underline the adjective and you also have to tell the name of the degree. Now see the first sentence. I know more jokes than you. Now students, first you have to take your pen in your hand and then you have to underline this word more jokes than, like this. I have underlined more jokes than you. Okay, so you have to underline this much word only, more jokes than, and now you have to state which degree it is. Okay, so it is comparative degree. This is comparative degree because we have used here more jokes than, and in comparative degree we are using more adjective plus than. So this is comparative degree and here we are comparing the two persons. Okay, comparison between I and you. So you have to write here in the bracket comparison in two. Now see the second sentence. Honesty is the best policy. So this is the superlative degree and we can add here into the bracket more than 2 because here we are comparing the honesty more than 2 people. Okay, means we are comparing honesty in all the things. Okay, so this is superlative degree and you have to underline the word the best. Okay, then third one is Princess Diana was a beautiful lady. Now students, as you can see here, this is a plain sentence. Okay, Princess Diana was a beautiful lady, and which is the adjective here? Beautiful. So you have to underline the word beautiful. Okay, Princess Diana was a beautiful lady. So you have to underline this word beautiful, and you have to write here this is positive degree, and there is no comparison. Okay, so you have to write here in the bracket no. Then fourth one, we live in the busiest part of the city. Now can you tell me which part we have to underline in this sentence? We live in the busiest part of the city. Yes, you are correct. We have to underline the busiest, and this is the superlative degree. The busiest. Okay, and from this we can know that this is the superlative degree, and here we can also add more than 2 persons. Okay, we are doing comparison, we are comparing it with more than 2 people. Okay, 2 things or 2 people. So this is superlative degree. Now students, one more thing I just want to tell you, that whenever there is a superlative degree, the is added before the adjective. Okay, now see, you can see here, for example, in this in the last sentence, we live in the busiest part of the city. So the adjective is here busiest. Okay, you can see that this is the adjective, busiest is the adjective, and we have used here the. Okay, so by this we can also identify that this is the superlative degree. So if you want to find out quickly in a second which degree it is, then you have to keep in mind that, or you have to just store in your memory that whenever we are adding adjective in a sentence in the superlative degree, we are adding the before that. Okay, so always keep in mind that whenever there is a superlative degree, we are adding the before the adjective. Whenever we are writing adjective in that sentence, we are adding the before adjective. So by that we can identify this is the superlative degree. Okay. So this is one of the trick that I have told you right now. By that you can identify this degree is the superlative degree. Now let's move further to the next sentence. Let's see the next sentence. He is the nicest gentleman I know. So here, which is the adjective that we have to underline? He is the nicest gentleman I know. So you have to underline the nicest, okay? And this is the superlative degree, okay? He is the nicest gentleman I know. Nicest means more than two people, okay? So we have to underline the word nicest here, and this is superlative degree, okay? Now see the next sentence. Sentence number 6. Uncle Tom had a kind master. Okay. So students, as you can see here, this sentence is a plain sentence. And which is the adjective that we have to underline? We have to underline a kind. This is the adjective. Uncle Tom had a kind master, and we have to underline the word kind, and this is the positive degree, as there is no comparison and we have used the proper adjective here. Okay, main base adjective here we have used, so this is the positive degree and there is no comparison. Next sentence is sentence number 7. Akbar was the greatest of all the Mughal rulers. Now students, you can see here, Akbar was the greatest of all. The greatest of all. So you have to underline the word greatest, the greatest, and this is the superlative degree because we are doing comparison more than two people. Sentence number 8. The rose is lovelier than the pansy. The rose is lovelier. Now we have to underline lovelier than. This shows that this is the comparative degree, and we have to write here comparative degree, and here is the comparison between two. Comparison between the two things, that is rose and pansy. These are the two flowers that we are doing comparison. So you have to underline lovelier than, and you have to write here comparative degree. So students, you can see that I have written into the bracket more than two, or no comparison, or comparison between two. This you don't need to write. You have to only underline, which is asked in this question. Underline and name the degree of comparison. It means that you have to underline the adjective which shows the degree, and then you have to state, you have to tell the name of the degree. Okay, so you don't need to write whatever I have given in the bracket. Okay, so you have to underline the sentence, underline the adjective, and you have to state the degree. These two things you have to do. So let's move further. The question number E, fill in the blanks with comparative or superlative degree. So first sentence is, David Copperfield is the dash interesting book I have read. So into the bracket given words are given more oblique most. David Copperfield is the dash interesting book I have ever read. So which word we have to use here? Most interesting book. So you have to write here most and also underline that word. David Copperfield is the most interesting book I have ever read. Now see the second sentence. My brother understands me than anyone else. My brother understands me. So here we have already used than. Okay. It is already given in the sentence than. So we have to use here more. More than. Okay. So you have to underline this word. My brother understands me more than anyone else. Now see the third sentence. My dad is than my mother. Okay. So into the bracket the words are given young oblique younger. My dad is than. So obviously we have to use here younger. And underline that word younger. Next sentence. What is the important thing you wish to do? What is the dash dash important thing you wish to do? What is the most important thing? So you have to underline, write down that word and underline the word. What is the most important thing you wish to do? Next sentence is February is the dash dash month of the year. And into the bracket the options are shorter, shortest. February is the shortest. So we have to write here shortest. Okay students? Are you getting this? How we are writing the answers? Then sixth one, this essay is dash dash than the essay you wrote last week. And into the bracket only bad is given here. And here in the sentence this essay is dash dash than. So you have to make comparative degree of bad. Okay? Because we have used here than. This essay is worse than. So we have to write here worse than. So what we have done here, we have done the comparative degree of bad. We have used it here and underlined it. Health is dash dash than well. And into the bracket the word is given here important. Health is more important than well. So obviously than is used here in this sentence. So we have to make comparative degree of important. So important, more important. Health is more important. If we want to write the comparative degree, so we have to add more before important. More important. And you have to underline this word. More important than well. So let's move further. Students, see question, sentence number 8. A dolphin is dash dash than a human being. Into the bracket, what is the word given? Intelligent. A dolphin is dash dash than a human being. So here we in the sentence we have used than. So obviously you have to make comparative degree of this. More intelligent this is the word you have to write down here and underline it. A dolphin is more intelligent than a human being. See the next sentence. Sentence number 9. This is the dash dash news I have heard today. Into the bracket, good. Which word is given here? Good. This is the dash dash news I have heard today. So you have to use here best. You have to write down the word best. This is the best news I have heard today. Like this. Sentence number 10. Rajasthan is the dash dash state of our country. Rajasthan is the dash dash state of our country, and into the bracket the word is given dry. Rajasthan is the driest. So you have to write here driest. Rajasthan is the driest state of our country. So like this we have finished question number E. So I hope you have understood this. Now we are going to move forward. Friends, can you see some sentences that I have written on the board? Now see these sentences. I am as sweet as honey. This is a sentence. Yes, really I am. I am as sweet as honey. So in this sentence, first you have to see how we have formed this sentence. I am, we have used as plus, then we have added adjective here, that is sweet, plus as. I am as sweet as honey. And which simile we have used here? Which word I have used here? Honey. Means I am telling that I am as sweet as honey. Okay. So I have used here as plus adjective plus as. Okay. So here the formation of the sentence is like this: as plus sweet plus as. Okay? As sweet as honey. Second sentence, my mom is as tall as my dad. So here also we have used as plus adjective plus as, and we have formed the sentence as plus tall plus as. In the first sentence, adjective is sweet that we have used here. Okay? And in the second sentence, adjective is tall. As, adjective as tall as adjective as sweet as. So have you understood this? How we have formed this sentence? Like this only we have to solve question number F. Okay? So you have to form sentences like this, and that is very easy.